Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to make my bestseller tray. So first I'm mixing part A and part B hardener and just mix that up. Add some gold flakes, and the same thing I did in the first part, just mix it all in. I decided to add a little time lapse, but it didn't really change. So here I am, just using the heat gun to get out all the bubbles and pouring it into the mold. Now I'm rearranging all the flowers that the customer chose. She specifically wanted white daisies, but a variety of yellow flowers. Now I'm just going to get rid of all the bubbles and use a toothpick to push down all the flowers and get rid of the bubbles that are stuck on the edges of the tray. If you don't have a heat gun, a lighter works as well, and that's what I'm showing you guys here. So working with resin, you always want to use a respirator, and that's what I'm showing you guys here, as well as gloves and an open space. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!